Okay, in this clip, is what we're going to do is we're going to start a new project, and we're going to just add the character to the project. That's what this particular clip is going to do. So we're going to start a new project, 3D render pipeline, and I'm going to call it add Mixamo. And I've made a directory where I'm going to put this. Create the project. Okay, the project started and it's blank. So first we're going to install the new input system because we're going to be using the input system. So package manager, Unity registry, input, and we're going to install that. This is pretty quick. And of course we want to restart when it loads. And this video has been edited for time. And then we want to go to My Assets and MOVE, install the movement kit, the simple movement kit and animation helper from the registry, the asset store, if you haven't loaded it already. It's free, by RiverExplorer Games, simple movement kit and animation helper. Import that. Okay, so now we're going to install the RiverExplorer Starter Kit, which I use in my class, which is free to anyone. We're going to open our browser to riverexplorer.us/class files. Notice the capital C and capital F, the capitalized characters in here. riverexplorer.us/class files U1 latest starter kit.html. And the host name, by the way, on the network can be upper or lower case or mix. It doesn't matter. But everything after that, and on a lot of sites, it matters if you use the same capitalization. And I use what's called camel case, which is capitalizing the first letter of each word to make it just a little bit easier to remember. Class files U1, in this case it's Unity level 1. So class files U1 latest starter kit.html, and that will give you a file to download. And be sure to save it wherever you save it at. There, you had saved it, but I'll save it again. Alright, and then once the file is downloaded, you go to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and I store that on my E drive in Unity Tools. And it was RiverExplorer Starter Kit in the latest number, because I had done this before. And open. And when it select all, just to be sure. This yellow, by the way, means that we already have a scenes folder, which is no big deal, but it's just telling us. And then we're going to import. All right, it's imported. Okay, now we're going to import the characters we'd loaded from the Part 1 video. Now, I like to kind of keep things separate, so I'm going to create an empty folder called Characters. And we had one called Timmy. And those of you that have taken my class before realize that I had a bear, and I had it in a separate folder. But for now, we're just going to have Timmy, just to show how this works. And then I'm going to go to where we download, wherever it is you downloaded the character for the Timmy character, wherever it is you downloaded him. I did it in Unity Tools Characters, and it left a locomotionpack.zip. Still not used to Windows 11. Show more options. Extract all, and we're just going to extract it here. So this is the locomotion pack that we downloaded from the Mixamo website in part 1 of the video. Then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to say import package. No, I'm going to say import asset, import new asset. And I'm going to go to where I stored the zip files were extracted, and I'm going to select all of them. Oops, wrong characters. I'm going to select every character that was unzipped from the locomotion pack. Alright, now with the starter kit that we installed, there should be a scene called loading scene, and that's just a simple starter kit. Let's make sure and save this. And then I can go over here to the asset characters Timmy and take the Timmy character and drag him over. All right, and then I'm going to reset him so that he's at the center of the screen, which, by the way, in this case just happens to be a little high in the air. And that's the end of this clip. So we'll see you in this next little clip.